my vlog for today ay maglakwatsa tayo guys. Ito yung karugtong ng aking vlog na kumain ako ng andoks. So this time, sasakatan ng MRT para pupunta tayo sa Marina South Pier. So doon muna tayo guys, magpahangin lang muna tayo. Nandito na tayo sa Marina South Pier. Nabulol na naman tayo nito. So tahimik guys. Dito kasi nag-end yung train na sinakyan ko. Tapos bali tatlo na lang kaming pasaherong natira sa loob ng train. Nagkakatakot. Tapos buti nga araw, no? Ano kaya paggabi? So ito akit tayo sa pinakamahabang escalator. Pagdungan natin dito sa taas. So doon na natin makikita yung dagat, no? Para naman maiba yung ating malayo ang tingin, yun pala isang dulim. Dito na tayo sa Marina South Pier. So yung loob dyan guys, doon kami bumibili ng ticket ng papunta ng mga islands like Kuso Island, St. John Island. So bawal tayong mag-video doon sa loob kasi may mga list po. So, dati kasi nakakaakyat kami doon sa dulo at pwede naming madungaw doon. Pero try lang muna natin, dito lang muna tayo banda. So, wala nga kahangin-hangin, no? Mainit. So, ayan, nakikita nyo, mayroon doong nag-fishing doon sa dulo. Ayan, so we try to go somewhere. So, ayan, nakikita nyo. Ang mga maliliit na mga boat. Magandang weather, hindi siya maalon.
Island can walk.
Yes, ticket, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Inquire so ng ticket going to Sisters
Island. 12 o'clock, you take the ferry to Sister. Then Sister, you come back again. You wait at John Island for one more ferry go Kusu. Then you can come back by 315. So 4 island.
4 island for the $18 Okay, yes. So is this every day?
Yes, every day.
Every day, okay.
So this is my schedule.
Yeah.
Just follow the timing. It's not for you to keep.
Yeah, okay. So, okay.
This is how my sister...
So, at least from 10 a.m. until 3:50. This is the last ferry. 4. Okay. So, okay.
I think she tired already.
Of course, 4 islands. You have to walk for 4 islands. So, this one is just walking there. Explore the island. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Every day is it crowded?
Saturday, Sunday.
Saturday, Sunday, yeah. Surely one. Friday also. Okay. Parang nagiging double purpose tayo kasi ito yung place na dito tayo kukuha ng ticket papuntang mga islands. And it happens kasi guys, may isang small island na dati na siyang naka-close at ni-renovate nila. So, after renovation, they just opened last October 28. So, sabi ng taga-ticket booth doon. And nakikita ko na naman, nag-trending na naman siya kasi napakaganda after renovation. So, yun ang tinatawag na Sisters Island. So, ang bibili nating ticket is worth of $18. Pero, 4 islands na siya napupuntahan. So, yun ang tinatawag na island hopping. Okay lang siya, di ba? hindi nakaka-boring. So, this time for a change muna. Kahit mag-isa lang tayo, okay lang. Wala na kasi yung travel vlog ko eh. Yung vlog buddy ko na si Demi Ama, si Colot, shout out. So, this time nandito ang kanilang mga schedule for ferry boat from Singapore, from this pier, going to the islands. 10 o'clock in the morning ang kanilang alis. Tapos, babalik ng 3:15. So, I can just book through online ng ticket in advance. So, sabi naman niya na weekend daw is not crowded and not fully booked. So, try natin. Mag-explore tayo this time. At ngayon naman guys, at least nakaupo ako kasi mayroon siyang mga may mga gated kasi siya. Hindi siya basta-basta magtambay dahil may mga lispo doong nakaabang. So this time ay meron tayong pupuntahan, meron akong bibilhin, and hopefully this time magiging successful ang ating paghahanap nito. Naiinis na ako eh. Kasi many times ako nag-attempt na order, laging palpak. So this time nag-search ako online, finally nakita ko yung place na pagbibilihan ko. Medyo malayo. So puntahan natin guys. Mukhang naligo na naman ako guys. Hanapin ko na naman yung way. Ay Diyos ko Lord. Lagi na lang ganito. Kahit matagal na sa Singapore, tunto lang yapon, charot. So hanapin ko naman yung way ko guys. So dapat this time, may time kasi ako. Kailangan makita ko yung lugar. Para mabili ko yung hinahanap ko. Ito daw yung way na to guys. Follow the instruction. Punta tayo doon sa unahan. Kaya sana tama itong ating nilalakaran. Parang malayo eh. Anyway guys, dito sa Singapore hindi ka mawawala. Kasi marami naman tayong mapagtanungan. At saka kung hindi naman marunong din magturo yung pinagtanungan, pwede na tayong pumunta sa kanilang information counter. Or pag talagang naligaw tayo during pauwi or whatsoever, no? Pwede lang naman tayo mag-grab, mag-taxi. So, convenient naman dito guys sa pagbibiyahe. Kaso lang, marunong naman tayo magbasa, di ba? Hanapin lang natin hanggat mahanap natin. Pero this time, pagtsagaan ko talagang hanapin guys. Para naman makita ko yung gusto kong bilhin. Hanapin natin guys. Alam nyo guys, medyo malayo-layo na itong nilakad ko kasi parang inikot ko yung buong, I don't know. Malayo siya guys, hindi lang mararamdaman, pinagpawisan na ako. Malayo siya, pero hindi mo lang mararamdaman dahil nandito tayo sa underground. At saka aircon, hindi mainit. So, medyo pa. Sige pa, lakad pa more. Malapit na at malayo pa rin. Charot. Ayan, may aero Santic City and Convention Center, Esplanade MRT. So, pupunta kasi tayo sa Esplanade MRT kasi nandun yung aking bibilhin. So, ayan, nandito na tayo. Tingnan natin, guys. Finally, I found it. Yan siya, guys. So, yan, no? The SGFR Store, International Snacks and Candies. So, dyan natin may bibili yung si Kunafa chocolate. Let's go inside and look for it. Finally, here.
From Dubai, except this one from Singapore.
This one is Kunafa from Singapore?
No, this one only just a milk chocolate.
Milk chocolate. This is the Kunafa one.
All the chocolate here from Dubai.
This one from Dubai.
This one is the one that you are looking.
The fix, right? Yeah.
Pikachu.
How much one?
65.
65. Never sell online, right?
Online, those are taking pre-order. We are different from them. We have physical stock here.
Oh, I see. Yeah. We have another type of kunafa, guys. Ito is blender, but crispy kunafa and pistachios. But of course, original yung fix. So, just curious to try it. $40 siya. Isa is $40.
This one not bad.
Yeah, not bad. Have you tried it? It's sellable, right?
Myself is I like this one.
This better than the
This
fix.
is my opinion.
This opinion.
I like fix.
You said fix is very sweet.
Because even
If
people
too
from-
sweet,
even people from-
cannot lah. Because I'll just try for myself.
Oh,
If
okay.
you don't want too sweet, right? You want kunafa
I don't want too
Pistacho
sweet.
or other fix, right? You don't want that sweet. You can take this one. This one, that chocolate.
It's
This
a
one also
kunafa,
not. Same. Only this one, that chocolate. This one milk.
I see. So it has two types, but the price still the same.
Same.
Yeah. Never mind. We'll try the other one. We'll try this one.
Okay.
We'll try the crispy pistachios. crispy pistachios. Crispy kunapa and pistachios. Yeah, $40. So I bought it. It's a different type of kunafa, but still kunafa. But the other one is fixed. It's also from Dubai. Pero sabi ng sales lady, yun daw ay sobrang tamis. So ayaw ko guys kasi the one is pure chocolate. Sobrang tamis daw. So ito ang binili ko. It's kunafa din siya. Is a bit cheaper. It's $40. Diba nakita nyo naman kanina? Just one chocolate bar worth $40. O diba? Tapos yung kunafa kanina is $65. Nag-try kasi ako nag-order online. So, naging palpak yun. Ang nangyayari kasi, nag-order ako ng, hindi ako pwedeng mag-order ng isa, dapat dalawa. Tapos, i-deliver nila the next day. Pero, is worth $50. Kaso lang, ang nangyayari kasi guys, on that day na i-deliver na, late nila akong in-inform na sold out na daw. So, I was very disappointed. So, this time, finally, nag-effort ako na hanapin ko to. Kasi, curious lang ako, no? Although, at the moment, still trending pa rin to. Try natin. Medyo makapal siya. So, pagdating natin sa bahay, kailangan muna natin ilagay sa fridge bago natin buksan at para tikman. Diba? At least this time, hindi ako na-disappointed, no? Kasi may time ako talagang hanapin ko yung lugar. Dahil ano lang limited lang ang kanilang shop dito sa Singapore. Medyo mahirap siyang tuntunin guys kasi medyo mga malayo ang lugar. So okay lang, natuntun din natin guys.